Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news stories happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories, Bitcoin tops $35,000, with options positioning suggesting that the price has further to run. BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF now listed on Nasdaq trade clearing firm. Shibarium Milestone could potentially cause Shiba Inu to skyrocket to August highs. Ripple Labs XRP price explodes to 2-month high. Analysts say recent Bitcoin rally to blame. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest stories happening in the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for traders and investors to take a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a huge thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos and be one of the first to know what's going on in the crypto space. Tell your friends about us by sharing our videos, and let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. To start things off, Bitcoin tops $35,000, with options positioning suggesting that the BTC price has further to run. Traders are also very optimistic that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will approve a Bitcoin ETF. On Monday, Bitcoin's price surged past the $35,000 mark, hitting the highest price since May last year. With hope that the SEC will approve a BTC ETF, the cryptocurrency markets appear to be continuing their bull run from October. According to market data, Bitcoin was recently up by more than 11% in the past 24 hours. The current price is $33,316, suggesting a pullback from the peak of its surge but still dramatically up nonetheless. A recent court decision in favor of Grayscale has fueled a surge of optimism over the past few days that the United States will get Bitcoin ETFs. According to reports, the ruling boosted the odds of a spot Bitcoin ETF happening. BlackRock also took a step forward when its proposed product showed up on a depository trust and clearing corporation website with a unique ID number. While it doesn't mean that the ETF was approved, it was a step that many have interpreted as indicating that the company is confident that it will get approval. Link, DOT, and Matic were among the best-performing large-cap digital assets, with 6 to 10% advances. Ethereum and XRP posted small gains of around 2 to 3%. The United States stock market also erased the losses on early Monday to finish mixed as the 10-year Treasury yield turned sharply lower after hitting 5% for the first time in 16 years earlier in the session. Several Bitcoin trend indicators are also showing positivity for BTC, with some switching to a significant uptrend as the digital asset strengthened its footing above the $30,000 level. Galaxy Research head Alex Thorne stated that the uptrend could potentially accelerate even further due to option dealers need to buy Bitcoin on the spot market to hedge their positions above the $30,000 price level. According to Thorne, for every 1% increase in price at its peak of $32,500, options dealers will need to buy almost $20 million worth of BTC. The positioning implies that market makers need to buy back increasing amounts of delta as the spot moves higher, which should add to the explosiveness of any move in the short term. While many people are ecstatic about Bitcoin's recent surge, others are more cautious and advise traders to be frugal with their investments. Analysts from ByteTree noted in a report that was published on Monday that Bitcoin blockchain activity is more pessimistic in nature. The ByteTree analyst stated that the Bitcoin network's economic throughput was also declining. They added that the number of transactions fell by 50% in a single month. The analysts noted in a statement that the price of Bitcoin is solely dependent on the expectation of good news, which is not necessarily beneficial for the short term. Crypto traders and investors are still advised to be cautious since this will be a very volatile period for the crypto market. Up next, we have BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF now listed on a Nasdaq trade clearing firm. The addition, according to ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, was everything that happens in the course of a crypto ETF being listed and traded. He added that it is a positive indicator for SEC approval. BlackRock's iShares Spot Bitcoin ETF has been listed on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which indicates that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission may grant prospective approval for the application. On October 23, Balchunas stated in a thread on X that the DTCC listing was simply a component of the process of introducing a cryptocurrency ETF to the market. The Nasdaq Stock Exchange received an application from the ETF, which goes by the ticker symbol IBTC, in June asking for permission to list and trade shares of the investment vehicle. Balchunas further explained that this is the first ETF to be listed on DTCC, and none of the others are there as of yet. BlackRock is unquestionably at the forefront of these logistics that typically occur just before a launch. This could be interpreted as BlackRock receiving a signal that approval is imminent or certain. Balchunas hypothesized that BlackRock was preparing everything, assuming that the SEC had already granted approval for the ETF's listing. The SEC has until January 10, 2024, to render a definitive determination regarding the ETF's approval or denial. If BlackRock's application were to be authorized, it may pave the way for several spot crypto ETF filings. At the moment, the SEC has not yet authorized spot transactions on Bitcoin or Ethereum. In other news, a Shibarium milestone could potentially cause Shiba Inu to skyrocket to August highs. According to an analyst, based on the meme token's most recent price movement, it appears that it has recovered from the crucial support level of $0.000061. He added that this will create an opportunity for a potential bull run. Recently, the Shiba Inu token, SHIB, has gained 3.63% over the last 24 hours and 5.79% over the past week. However, when considering the long term, it is evident that the cryptocurrency's worth has decreased by 49% since its all-time high of $0.001471 on February 5. A positive momentum may be accumulating, especially since Shibarium has reached another new milestone. Shibarium was developed to provide Shiba Inu with reduced petroleum costs and accelerated transaction times. Since its inception, the Shiba Inu community has largely embraced Shibarium, thanks to this innovation. Shibarium has recently mined over 1.3 million blocks and had about 3.574 million transactions overall, according to data gathered by Shibarium. For those who are unfamiliar with mining, the 1.3 million blocks mined in such a brief period demonstrates Shibarium's adaptability and sheer capability. According to the data, the average processing time per block is 5 seconds, which serves as evidence that it's highly efficient and very fast. To compare, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the world, generates blocks in excess of 10 minutes. Past news about Shibarium has always had a favorable impact on the SHIB price. As additional benchmarks and milestones are accomplished, the community is anticipating increases in SHIB's price. SHIB is currently trading at $0.00007484 at the time of this report. A respected analyst stated that SHIB seems imminently poised to experience a price breakout that could cause it to retest its all-time highs from August. This represents a 43% increase compared to its current value. By establishing a robust Layer 2 ecosystem and amassing a large community, Shiba Inu has the potential to evolve from a meme cryptocurrency and become a frontrunner in decentralized payments and finance. To wrap up today's episode, Ripple Labs XRP price explodes to a 2-month high. Analysts are saying that this is mostly due to the recent Bitcoin rally. According to reports, Ripple's native crypto, XRP, has soared approximately 8% in the past day, which made it reach a fresh 2-month peak of around 58 cents. Expert market analysts are saying that XRP has been among the best performers in the entire cryptocurrency market. The positive price movement of XRP is widely attributed to several factors, including the positive developments surrounding the lawsuit between Ripple Labs and the US SEC. Most recently, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen were both cleared of all charges brought by the SEC. Prior to that, Ripple Labs also secured a vital partial win in mid-July when federal judge Annalisa Torres determined that the programmatic sales of XRP from years ago did not constitute an offer of investment contracts. Although the SEC appealed this decision, the relevant authorities rejected the appeal, giving Ripple Labs its second victory. XRP is expected to continue its price rise, which is also attributed to the overall crypto market revival that is currently happening. Bitcoin recently reached a peak of $35,000 on expectations that the SEC is only a step away from approving BlackRock's application to introduce a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. It is worth noting that Bitcoin reached its all-time high of almost $70,000 in November 2021, shortly after the watchdog approved ProShares Bitcoin futures-backed ETF. Now, The question is whether the XRP can sustain its upward movement in the market in the days to come. The recent developments in the crypto market have sparked excitement among the community, and the good news is also causing the XRP to rise. These are all the latest news stories we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Before you go, don't forget to check out our latest daily market report videos to take a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.